Hey everyone, welcome to this daily stock forecast. Okay, today is Tuesday. I want to go over the markets here quickly. I want to start here with the SPY. As you can see, this morning we got a nice bounce higher in the markets, and we got basically a float until 11 o'clock when the news came out that the strike in Syria is a high possibility. And as you can see, the markets start to sell, went sideways below this 20 and 200 moving average and cracked down during lunch hour. And as you can see now, we are already starting to make a nice bearish pattern but below this 50 moving average. Now the first big support level on the SPY will be this 163. Maybe we can see this tag today. And then let's find some other levels here. The first level that I see will be this 162.30 on the downside as a major support, and then this 161.45. Okay guys, let's jump over to the Qs here. It's basically the same as the SPY. As you can see, we got this gap up today, went sideways, and then we saw a nice reversal. Now the two big levels that I see on the Qs, this 75.22 as first support, and then the 74.96, the peers of the 75 level. This will be our two major levels for today and possibly tomorrow. And then let's find some other levels here. Let's go over to the larger time frame. And then the last big level that I see will be this gap window around 74.27. We've got also a level right here, 63.69, and then this gap fill at 73.49. Okay, let's go over some scalp plays from today. I want to start with CAT. Today I scalped CAT twice. My first level was this gap fill, just below the 20 and the 50 moving average. I got a long position around 82.47, and after 7 minutes I was still in the trade, and it was hovering around my break even, so I grabbed my break even, and as you can see, it went lower after that. And the first big bounce came in right at this pivot low. As you can see, the lows from Friday. Now you're wondering why didn't bounce that gap fill, but just at this pivot low. And if you take a FIB retrace from this low to the high, you will see this was a 618 level, and as you can see, we got a nice solid bounce from it. My second scalp level that I did was this pierce of this 82. It was a quick 10 cents that I grabbed on this scalp, and as you can see, Caterpillar went sideways and now it's starting to break down. Now let's go over some levels here on CAT for tomorrow or even today. The first level that I see will be this pivot low, the double bottom from last week, 81.50. Then after that, we got this small pivot area right here, 81.38, and then we have this double bottom around the peers of 81, right in this zone between 81.08 and $80.86. Okay, let's go over some other names here. Apple. As you can see on Apple, we almost came to my first big resistance, the 501.61. It came shy of the level, the peers of the 500, and as you can see, we are seeing some nice selling in Apple. The first big level will be this 486.09, and after that, the only level that I see will be this 474.22. Okay guys, I wanna shoot you a breather here. In a few weeks we will launch our mobile application, so if you wanna follow our trades, you can sign up for the newsletter. It's in the description below. So I hope to see you all on the list, so I can inform you guys when the application is in the Android or iOS market. Now let's go over the last scalp here. I want to go over Chevron. Let's find some levels on Chevron. First level that I see, we have this gap window 119.46, and then we have this gap fill around 118.89. Let's call it the pierce of 119, and then this will be the big level 118.12, and then this double bottom low around to 117.31. On the upside, first support that I see, we have this area, this double top from today, just above it this gap fill 121.81, and then this double top high around 122.33. Okay guys, as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I see you all tomorrow for a new update.